My name is Lisa and I work as a showcore technician at Umhverfisstofan. It's a nautical cartographer. And nautical charts are a special map used for marine navigation. The responsibility for charting our waters is a new and exciting task taken on by Faroe Islands. As a nautical cartographer, I work with both electronic navigational charts, like this one, and paper charts. It is important to keep the charts updated and that new information is delivered to the mariners in a timely way. The ENCs are updated weekly if needed. The safety at sea is at prime when you work with nautical cartography. This is one reason why I find my job so interesting. To deliver products that are up to date with the latest available information helps the mariner to plan and execute their journey in a safe way. The marine environment is constantly changing. Winds, waves and currents affect shorelines and harbours. New hydrographic services can reveal shortcomings in the depth information shown in the charts. Installations such as wave and wind turbines, pipes and cables can affect the journey and even be a danger to the mariner. These are just examples of some changes that need to be updated in the nautical charts. As for the future, new standards of nautical charts will be part of navigational systems that further improves safety at sea. How about a crewless ship controlled by artificial intelligence to deliver Christmas presents to the Faroese shores?